jive. What is the point? Is a down beat. So you have to focus on going down and jive. So what is the exercise? You stay like this and you release your weight and catch it with your body. Release, catch, release, catch. Then other leg, release, catch, release, catch, release, catch. Try it in a triple step. You're going up and then release, dropping your weight down and down and down, up and down. So you're going 1, 2, down, 3, 4, 3, 4. Every count 2 and count 4. Also count 6 and count 8, obviously. So go walk and down, walk and down, walk and down. So you have to look at your routine through this down. Now in your choreography, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, down. This is a 5, 6, 7, and now from here starting, every second beat you have to do a down beat. 1, 2, down, 3, 4, down. Now it's here. 1, 2, down, 3, down. So not just a kick, but down. Now go kick, down, kick, down, kick, down, kick, down. Step and down, point and down. 1 and down, 1 and down, 1 and down. Bump, down, feeling 1, down, body wave. Here, blah, 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 blah. Now next one, kick, bull chain. Tap and down, kick, down. And even when you do hips here, you're going hip, down, not just wiggle. Down beat, down, down. 7, then basics. 1, down, triple step, down, triple. Like feel like this weight is dropping. 1, down, here, and down. Points, point and down, point and down, point and down, point and down, and turn, 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 turn. Here, those points. Here also the point where you pull away from me like a string, guitar string. Right here. 1, down, point and down, and point and down. So 8 is down. And using that 8 down to come up and then go down again on bend knees, like you're going down the stairs. Run, down. And I use this down to turn triple and down. The same here. 1, 2 is down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is down. And then you come up out of this 8. Run, down. Run, down. American spin, the most attention pay here. 1, down. Triple. And as you do a turn on the down. Triple, down. 1, down. Triple step, down. Triple step. So the down beat